consulted by Mr. Shobit Agarwal, a student from Pesset College in July 2011. He then shared this idea with his friend. They together formed a small team. This team did 2 months of intense research and brainstorming activities by approaching various NGOs and social experts how to come up with new possible activities. The group was made open for its membership on September 2011. iCare is not just limited to Pesset. It's an inter-college student body since it has opened its branch in JSS and BMS as well. Along with the guidance of Mr. Shobit Agarwal and Pesset team, now we are giving a new platform to our college, that is, iCare is expanding its wing in Acharya as well.
For any kind of development, human resource is of prime importance, and in our case, it's us, the students. iCare, apart from creating awareness in the students, it also tries to bridge the gap between student community and the NGOs in our country. iCare, which has its roots in the college level, will now thrive to reach various parts of the society through the NGOs that are already established in our country. And iCare will not only benefit the society, but it will be also beneficial for us, the students. iCare, do you?
Each one of us are born with a special talent and everybody are free in one or the other time. But how are we using the special talent which is hidden inside us and the time which is available to the students? Here we are to help you how to use the time and the talent which is hidden inside us. Example, let us consider an instance where are two particular persons in which one is technically specialized and the other one who can speak well. Using these two persons, we can help the underprivileged children to help in their education and the empowerment of the society.
Even after 65 years of independence, India is still facing so many problems: child labor, illiteracy, poverty, women empowerment, health hazards, etc. All are familiar of it, but still we are not aware of it. If we try to bring out the change from the grassroots level, we can change the fate of our country. Here in iCare, we create an awareness amongst the students. We bring out the dark reality of the society in front of them. We work together for the betterment of our society.
For any developing nation, education is the primary driving force. India, being the world's largest democracy and second largest growing economy in the world, still fails to provide the quality education, especially in the rural sector. In 2001, the literacy rate of India was 65%, and we should be pleased to know that today, according to 2011 census, it is 75%. This percentage doesn't mean anything. We need to take education beyond just reading and writing skills. Some of us are getting that kind of quality education in the cities, but what about the rural kids? So how can we make this happen is the biggest question.
Educating the rural children is the need. Teaching a prescribed syllabus for an hour within 4 walls doesn't bring any sort of interest in them. So by conducting various games like chess, keyboard searching, scientific games, we can bring interest in them. By exposing them to technical tools like computers, audios, videos, laptops, we can make them technically strong and sound.
You must be wondering, being students, is it possible for us to make all these things? And the answer is yes, we have already started doing this. And do you know how? Just watch this.
देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई। हे देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई, बारिश है या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं। हो हम जैसे देखे ये जहां है वैसा ही, जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ, चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले।
As we move on to the higher classes, we showed them the videos of physics, chemistry, biology, and we taught them the basics of computers and internet operations.
As Nelson Mandela rightly said, education is the most powerful tool to change the world. Here in iCare, we firmly believe that education can eradicate the dark evils of our society and make this world a better place to live in.
Women are leaders. Everywhere you look, from a CEO to house, a wife that holds together a home. Our country was built by women who stand alone, like Indira Gandhi, Sarojini Naidu. When in this case, even now in modern India, we are witnessing female infanticide, gender discrimination, sexual harassment of women. In this case, women empowerment has been a never-ending dream. But this could be a dream come true if we youths, the leaders of tomorrow, eradicate it from the rule. Instead of condemning the organization government, we have to teach a child, a woman brought you to this world and you have no rights to disrespect her. Make the children aware about the current situation, the problems faced by women through the technical education by our organization iCare Do You.
It's been nearly 65 billion years since we humans are residing on this planet, the Mother Earth. Even after being well acquainted with the fact that it is the only planet favoring life-sustainable conditions, we are exploiting it to the extent of extremities. The only issue is not about environmental pollution, deforestation, or globalization. It is actually about awareness among each individual, which is rather lacking. So, iCare symbolizes the word I for every individual, and our main objective is to develop the feeling of care in every next person for our beautiful environment.
There are a lot of benefits to the society through iCare, and the member in turn is also benefited. I'd like to classify these benefits into two horizons. Firstly, whenever we help someone, we experience immense joy. And scientifically, our hearts just pump blood. But we can prove it to the world that it even has the capacity to spread thousands of smiles. The second horizon of benefits is that we acquire many skills, like organizing skills, decision-making skills, presentation skills, teamwork, and leadership. We being students, all these skills are very vital. Help a needy, fill his bowl, and God will help you bless your soul.
Let me tell you something about the role played by iCare, which is mainly a student body in contributing something to the society. It is a known fact that the power of today's youth is not being effectively utilized. We, being students, not being financially independent, can still do something good to the society, whatever possible, with the available resources we have from our side. Apart from involving ourselves in academics and self-progress, we can also be of some use to the needy and the underdeveloped by doing something worthwhile in our free time instead of wasting it or spending it doing useless work. Every person is blessed with some kind of talent or skill or facility. It would be a wonderful platform to exhibit them and to utilize them for the well-being of the society. Ultimately, the question is not, I care, do you? I say in a different way. It should be, if I care, why don't you?
The backbone of iCare Group are its members. We're looking for people who are service-minded, socially concerned, and determined in doing their bit for the betterment of the society. So people who are willing to join hands with us, please contact 7795 789 720, or you may even dial up 9535 02 0104. You can even like our Facebook page or contact us through the email ID icareacharya@gmail.com.